This is going to be quick, simple, and delicious. I am making Asian stir-fried scallop squash today. First time ever. Hello, my name is Melanie and welcome to Fish Sauce Mama. If you enjoy this video, subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more.
Get about a handful of 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so I got about half a bolt of garlic. I'm just gonna make this quick stir fry with garlic, and it's gonna be very simple. So this is a pretty good amount of squash. It's still young, I think. This is gonna be an Asian stir-fry squash. So it still look young. I'm gonna eat everything here. So if you can't have a good square face, flat face to cut, I guess just cut it in half and cut them into maybe half an inch to 3/4 of an inch, whatever size you like. And it's kind of slippery, so be careful. Make you really sure before you really lay that knife down. I'm just gonna cut them into French fry sticks, and I'm gonna stir fry them real quick. This is my first time growing this, and it's gonna be my first time eating this too, so it's gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna be just like the squash family. I'm gonna go with high heat here, let it heat up, and give it about a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. Real quick here, stir, release our garlic. It's gonna be very quick, maybe 10 seconds to 15 seconds max for all that release, the aroma and release. It smells so good in here. Okay, don't wait until the garlic is too brown. I'm just gonna throw this right in real quick. Stir it up.
Let me know in the comment below, what is your favorite way to enjoy scallop squash?
Mine is high, but it's actually medium high if you have it all from 1 to 10. So I'm going to use medium high instead of say high as it's saying high. Kicking them around until they're soft. I like to keep it on high heat because I don't like soupy stir fries. Down here, a pinch of salt, about a half a teaspoon of sugar, and about half a teaspoon of chicken powder. It's gonna be very quick. While that is going, I'm gonna go ahead and add some green onion in here, and go ahead and cut the rest of my green onion. And half go in there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat and let it cook through for another 10 seconds to 15 seconds or so, and we're done.
First time ever growing and eating the scallop squash. I honestly think it looks pretty cute and delicious. It's crunchy, which I like, and kind of similar to the karabi or the Asian gourds. I hope you enjoyed this new scallop squash recipe. Share with someone and hit that thumbs up and let me know. More of the stir-fry recipes are in the description box below for you. Subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day, and bye-bye.
This guy here, I don't know when is she gonna be ready, but it looks, oh gosh, it looks huge. It's like at least about 4 inches wide. She looks so cool.
Helping mommy.
How big do you think this squash is?
Super big.
It is about 5.5 to 6 inches. About 2 inches tall.
You can smush and smash.
Mm-hmm.
But, wait, I didn't subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel and make a big thumbs up. Bye!